Oh wow. Oh my goodness, this scent is to die for, guys. Ooh, 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 wow, guys. Ooh, 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 guys. It doesn't really smell like strawberries. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Corinne and I do fashion, beauty, hair, travel, and lifestyle videos. Alright guys, it's been a minute, but I'm here. So today we have an interesting video. Today we have an unboxing of the ColourPop's Spring Mystery Box. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump right into it. Alright, so here's the box. I haven't opened her yet. I did get extra stuff in addition to the mystery box. Alright, so first we're gonna put to the side the extra stuff and then we're going to be getting into the mystery box. Alright, so just so you guys can see, I have not opened up this box as yet. Okay, alright guys, so this is the box right here and oh my goodness, oh wow. Alright, okay, let's get right into it. Alright, so first off, we're gonna get rid of the stuff that I ordered apart, so let's do that. Okay, so along with the Spring Reset mystery box, I did get ColourPop's new collection, which has the silver lining eyeshadow palette. So let's get rid of her. So this is it right here, silver lining eyeshadow palette. So I'm not gonna get into these right now. I will, however, in another video, and I will also be creating a look with the new ColourPop Silver Lining collection. Alright, so let's just put them to the side. I also have the lip glosses. Where are they? So there are 3 of them. So these are the So Juicy glosses that also came in the Silver Lining collection. So we'll be doing another video with these, no worries. Also, I do want to mention that when you purchase the ColourPop Spring Reset mystery box, you have the option as well to add in a mystery gift, and I did. So I'm not sure what is the mystery gift, but this is a mystery box without the added products, so it still looks cute. Alright, so let's go one by one. I don't know what the mystery gift is. Alright, so first off we have a liquid blush, and I absolutely love these. Also, I do want to mention, guys, if you are interested in this makeup look, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be posting a makeup look before this, so they will be back to back. Alright, so I don't know which one is gonna come out first, but stay tuned for that. Alright, so I absolutely love ColourPop liquid blushes. I have one of the shade that I am wearing underneath my powder blush today. So the shade that I have that I also received in ColourPop past mystery boxes, I think I received 2 or 3 of the old shade, and the one that I have is Angel Face. However, the one that I'm getting in the mystery box is Wildest Dream. Angel Face, Wildest Dreams. And this color, guys, looks beautiful. It's like a bright fuchsia. So this is her right here. And we're gonna swatch her right here. Let's go here. Ooh, there's a lot of product there. Oh, that's right. That is so bright. Oh my goodness, you guys seen that? Oh wow, that is gorgeous. It's like a cute Barbie fuchsia pink. Absolutely gorgeous. This is it right here. She's beautiful. Alright, so next up we have the Fresh Kiss. This is the lip mask. I have quite a few of these from my past mystery boxes, and this is why I love mystery boxes, because it allows you to try different products that you would not usually think to buy. And this one is an orange vanilla. Oh wow, Oh my goodness, this scent is to die for, guys. It's sweet. It's like an orange popsicle. It is. It smells delicious, and I'm getting the vanilla in there. It's not full on orange, right? I'm getting all of the flavors, and it smells absolutely delicious. Oh my goodness. So this is not a repeat. I do have these, but in different scents. All right, so far 2 products that I like and that I would keep. Okay, so next up we have another, no, this is a lip scrub. The other one was a lip mask, and this is a lip scrub. So this is the lip scrub and vanilla cake. Okay, so I do not own this, you guys. Yeah, I don't think I got this one. No, I do not. All right, so this is vanilla cake. Oh God, these smell delicious. These smell delicious. They don't smell the same, this one and the orange vanilla, but they complement each other. So yeah, this is another one that I'm definitely keeping. Yeah. Alright, so moving on, we have another lip product, and this is a Fresh Kiss and Mango Sorbet, guys. I love these. I love these because the scents are spot on. This is Mango Sorbet. I'm actually wearing one today. I'm wearing the brown one. It has like a coffee scent. I think it's caramel latte or something like that. And this is this one right here is Mango Sorbet. Oh yeah. It smells sweet. It smells sweet. I don't know if there's a color. Oh, it looks like there's a color to it. So let's see there. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wow, guys. All right, so there is a color to it. I don't know if you can see that. I hope you guys can see that. Yeah, there is definitely some color to it. And it smells delicious as well. So so far 4 products, and I will keep all 4. Alright, so next up we have a Cloud Whip, and guys, I own all of these. Alright, I just did a review on all of these, so I'm not gonna swatch this, but this is in the color Candy Floss. She cute, but I'm not gonna swatch it because I most likely will be giving this one away. But had I not have this already, I would definitely keep this. All right, so next up we have a liquid liner. Okay, I love ColourPop liquid liners, and this is in the color Try Me. Okay, I'm definitely gonna try you. I'm not gonna lie, I was definitely hoping for another Uno. I'm on my second Uno, numero uno. So numero uno is their black eyeliner that I am wearing today, but ooh, okay. I see you, ColourPop. So right there, for this box, I'm seeing we're into that pinky, pinky color. Alright, I see you, ColourPop. I see you. Alright, so far I don't know what was a mystery item in here, but so far I like everything. Alright, so then we have a Hydra Pop and Fruit Punch. I don't think I own this color. I have several, but I don't think I own Fruit Punch. Alright, ooh, okay. Looking at her, she looked red, but she's not red. She is, ooh, guys. Look at that. Look at that. So it is a pinky red. Beautiful. And I love the Hydra Pop formulas. Guys, that Mango Sorbet is just oh, that smells nice. I'm not gonna say it smells like full-on mango, because it doesn't. It's definitely a sweet, I can't put my... It smells good. It smells good. I'm like, I ate a mango yesterday. I'm not gonna say it smells exactly like a mango. It's mango sorbet. Okay, so next up we have another. Okay, what is this? Ah, okay. So this is one of their highlighter stick. So this is the light stick, and this is in the color Sunlight. I own one of these, but I don't know if it's the same color. So I got the one that I received. I got this in an old ColourPop mystery box, and the one that I got was Molten Hot, and this one is Sunlight. So they're definitely not the same. So let's see what Sunlight looks like. Oh wow, that's pretty. Before even swatching, I don't know if you can see that. So it's like swirls. Alright, so let's give a little swatch. Ooh, okay. I didn't expect it to look like that. Okay, she cute. Alright, let me pass again so you can see. So it's like a golden shimmer. It's cute. It's cute. Alright, so next up we have an eyeshadow palette. Alright, and this is the Blue Moon eyeshadow palette, which I love, but I already own this eyeshadow palette, so but I don't own it in the new packaging, so should I keep it? I don't know. So I'm not gonna swatch it. I believe I did a makeup look already using this. I'm not sure. If not, then I'll definitely come back and do one. But with my old Blue Moon eyeshadow palette, I do have a question for you guys though. If you own the old 9-pan eyeshadow palette and you've received the new ones, is the formula the same? I don't feel like it's exactly the same. I have to compare them because I'm currently using my new Wild Child eyeshadow palette with a new packaging, and for some reason it seems a bit different than the old one. I'll compare them side to side and I will get back to you on that because I absolutely love the old formula. And then last but certainly not least, I believe that this is a surprise, a mystery product, because we don't usually get products this size in the mystery boxes. So this is Fort Ray Strawberry Face Milk. Okay, I see you, ColourPop. So this is a strawberry face milk. All right. Alright, since scent is not my favorite, it doesn't really smell like strawberries. Nah, it doesn't smell like strawberries at all. I don't know, unless I got a bad batch or something, but it smells like, you know when a product has a scent and then the scent is gone, the scent is gone? That is a scent that I'm getting, like the scent disappeared from it. I don't know. Alright guys, so that was it for the ColourPop Spring Reset Mystery Box unboxing. If you like this video, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share as it helps to grow this channel. Until next time.